Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy. Welcome to another video that I am showing you guys amazing apps that you can use. So what we have today is Questions Diary. So this app, as you can see, I have downloaded and actually let's go and see what's our first question. As you can see, how we're getting to them is like this. We have the question here, we're clicking on that. Are you happy now? Am I? And we're writing our yes I am, yes sir. And what we're doing is we are saving it by clicking to this, or we can edit it with this pen icon there. Okay, alright. We can shuffle the question. Of course, we can have other questions we want. This is okay. Let's go down. So since we have answered the first one, maybe this app actually can help you. You might think like, why would I want to be answering questions? It can be because of this, to be honest. For example, that you are trying to figure out your mood, you are trying to figure out how you feel or what you feel in that moment. And I think this app would be pretty helpful. As you can see, it's also very easy to use it. And I would like to see more of their questions, so let's see what they're asking us. Let's go to the next question. Let's click on that. Are you afraid to die? Okay. We can also rate the questions if we don't like them, but I think these questions are pretty intense, like they might be seem like those easy to answer questions, but when you think of it, let's assume that you are answering these questions when you woke up, and like when I wake up, I'm the worst person ever you could have ever meet in your life, I know. And answering those questions like that, also you can go down at night and try to edit your questions answers and see the difference, maybe, so you will figure out either you're a morning person or a night person or an evening person. But I'm pretty sure I know who I am. I'm a night person. So let's also answer this one. By the way, I want you to answer all of these questions on the comments, especially this one. Are you afraid to die? I'm actually not, but I'm actually afraid of me dying. The way I die is one of the things that I'm worried about. Okay, but you die at the end of the day, like the pain stops. But the ones that who remains, and so no, but I'm afraid of what can happen to the yes, let's go. As I said, we can edit it. Let's go back and let's see another question. Let's click. What is your number one goal in life? What is it? These questions makes you think, man, like to be happy. Yes, this might seem very simple to you, but actually to me being happy is, if I'm happy that I have no home, even though I don't have a house, even though I don't have the money, but I don't really think that I can be happy that way, because if I'm not able to feed myself, I will be in hunger. I'm hungry most of the time also. Like, it would be very hard for me to find happiness there, but let's assume I'm in this situation at my life, I'm at the same level, and I'd be like, I mean, if I'm not happy right now, I cannot happy that time. Like when I don't have a house or something. Let me see. Yes, it is being happy. In your current situation, actually. Yes. Even if you don't have a house, you have to keep going. I think you have to have the you have to have that. You have to find the happiness in the worst scenario. Like otherwise life is just going to be about more and having more and more, I think. I'm gonna go like this. So our answers are there. So, and let's see what we have here. There is questions community. You can write a question from here. You see, and you can like the questions here. I got another, like for example, what's the sweetest thing? What's the sweetest question anyone ever asked? I think it's a good question. You can like him. You can actually change the name, change the language. Also, I'm not gonna do it now. Or should I? I don't think if there is a need for that. So, as you can see, you can create questions also. And from settings, let's see what can we do from settings. We can log in. We can log in with our Facebook, or we can sign up. We can have an alarm as they will be reminded. Go and answer your questions. That we have themes. I want to go with black. I love black. And we have our language. We can change, or we can actually reset. Maybe you were in the darkest point of your life where you think that you didn't actually answer those questions by being yourself, but from the pain, you know what I mean. And maybe you want to reset and start from new fresh. You can just reset all of your answers and try again, and you can start answering again. So I'm gonna ask you these 3 questions as I told you, and you should let me know in the comments. Are you happy now? Number 1. Number 2 is, are you afraid to die? Number 3, what is your number 1 goal in life? Let me know in the comments so we can chat, we can see what's in our minds. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to see all these amazing apps that I'm showing you. So see you guys in my next video.